Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna talk about the difference between Huawei Mate XS2 and the new Huawei Mate X3. We will be talking about the dimension, the performance, even the battery life and the charging speed. In all the details we'll be talking about the difference between these two devices. Just stay tuned, let's get started. So guys, we will be talking about the dimension here. We will start with Huawei Mate X3. So it comes in very slim body and very lightweight as well. So the thickness here is 5.3 mm and in Huawei Mate XS2 is 5.4 mm. So as you can see here, so Huawei Mate X3 is slightly thinner than Huawei Mate XS2. And if we'll be talking about the weight, so Huawei Mate X3, it comes with 239 gram. So Huawei Mate XS2 is 255 gram. So Huawei Mate XS2 is heavier or more heavy than Huawei Mate X3. It's about the display here. See, if you're talking about the Mate X3, it comes with the OLED screen and it supports up to 1 billion color. Same goes with Huawei Mate XS2. It's OLED screen and it supports up to 1 billion color. Plus also the screen size here in Huawei Mate X3, it comes with 7.85 inch. And Huawei Mate XS2, it comes with 7.8 inch only. And so the screen size in Mate X3 is bigger than Huawei Mate XS2. And if we be talking about the resolution, so Huawei Mate X3, it comes with resolution of 2224 by 2496, and Huawei Mate X2 it comes with 2200 by 2480. So the resolution is higher in Huawei Mate X3. And if you'll be talking about the pixel per inch, so in Huawei Mate X3 it comes with 426, and Huawei Mate XS2 it comes with 424. It's almost the same, but still it's higher in Huawei Mate X3. And screen to body ratio with Huawei Mate X3 it comes with 88.9% screen to body ratio, and Huawei Mate XS2 it comes with 89.8% screen to body ratio. So screen to body ratio is better in Huawei Mate XS2 than Huawei Mate X3. And if we talk about dual display, so Huawei Mate X3, as we can see, it comes with 3 screens, and the folded here is different. You can fold it to inside, not to outside. So once you fold it to inside, you have another screen here in the back side. But Huawei Mate XS2, it's folded to outside. So once you fold it, you have only 2 screens, which is these two, and you will use another the one screen here in the front, which is bigger in size comparing to Huawei Mate X3. So screen size, when you fold the phone in Huawei Mate X3, it comes with 6.4 inch, and Huawei Mate XS2 it comes with 6.5 inch, so it's bigger in Huawei Mate XS2. Plus also Huawei Mate X3 here, the front screen here comes with the Kunlun glass, so the glass here is very durable, and also it's drop resistant. As Huawei mentioned that it's 10 times more drop resistant than any other smartphone, but with Huawei Mate XS2 it comes with 3D glass. So Huawei Mate X3 here, if we talk about the storage and the RAM, so Huawei Mate X3 it comes with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB of storage. But Huawei Mate XS2 it comes with 8 GB RAM and 512 GB of storage. So here in Mate X3 it comes with higher RAM comparing to the Mate XS2. Plus also both devices are supporting the external memory card, so you can put memory card up to 256 GB. And if you'll be talking about the camera here, so Huawei Mate X3 it comes with 50 megapixel, which is the main camera, and 12 megapixel, which is the telephoto, and 13 megapixel the ultra wide angle. But Huawei Mate XS2 it comes with 50 megapixel, which is the main camera, and 8 megapixel the telephoto, and 13 megapixel the ultra wide angle. Both phones are supporting up to 4K video recording with 30 frames per second. And if we'll be talking about the front camera here, so Huawei Mate X3, it comes with 8 megapixel, 2.4, this is the lens size, and Huawei Mate XS2, it comes with 10.7 megapixel, the front camera here, with 2.2, this is the lens size. And if we'll be talking about the software, so Huawei Mate XS2, it comes with the Harmony OS 2 upgradable to the Harmony OS 3. This is for Chinese version. And for the global version here, it comes with the EMUI 12 upgradable to EMUI 13. But Huawei Mate X3, it comes with the EMUI 13.1. So plus also the Mate X3, they are using the Snapdragon. This is about the processor. So they are using the processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and the processor here is 4G, guys. It's not 5G. But in Huawei Mate XS2, it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, and it's 4G as well. If we'll talk about the CPU speed, so in Huawei Mate X3, CPU speed goes up to 3.2 gigahertz. This is the octa-core processor, and in Huawei Mate XS2, the speed here is 2.84 gigahertz, and it's octa-core processor as well. If we'll talk about the GPU, so with Huawei Mate X3, it comes with Adreno 730, and with Huawei Mate XS2, it comes with the Adreno 660. And if we'll be talking about the battery here, so with Huawei Mate XS2, it comes with 4,600 milliampere battery, and Huawei Mate X3, it comes with 4,800 milliampere battery. Plus also both of them, they are coming with the 66 watt super fast charging, so inside the box you will get the charger. But the thing is, here in Huawei Mate XS2, it doesn't support the wireless charging, it doesn't support reverse wireless charging. But Huawei Mate X3, it supports wireless charging, which is 50 watts, and reverse wireless charging with 7.5 watts. And finally, as we know that Huawei now, they are using their own software, so you will not have Google Play here or Play Store. You will have the app gallery, which is Huawei own store, and from this app gallery you can download all your application, still without Google Play services. So the thing here we can highlight about these two phones, doesn't have eSIM, doesn't have Google Play services, and also it doesn't have 5G processor. So instead of that, you will have 4G mobile, plus also you will have the app gallery, and you will have dual SIM but no eSIM. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you like it, just like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.